Donna, and I am one of the youth librarians at the Hamilton East Public Library, and I would like to do a science experiment with you today. Today we are going to make a lava lamp. We're actually going to make 2 lava lamps. Now, before you do a science experiment, make sure you always have your parent or an adult with you, just in case, and get their permission. This is also fun to do as a family activity anyway. So we are going to do our lava lamp. What you need is some Alka-Seltzer tabs. You need food coloring and some vegetable oil, and you need some water. So this is how we're going to do this. We're going to have 2 cups of water. You also need a pie plate and some glasses to make your lava lamps. With our water, we're going to put some drops of food coloring in. You can do like 5 or 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and see how it interacts with the water. And we're going to do some red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, sometimes they go pretty fast, but that's okay. Next, we're going to pour some oil in our glasses. Open our oil, and you're going to pour at least 3/4 into our glass. Now, you don't want to go all the way to the top because our lava lamp could actually explode a little bit and go over the sides of our glass. Next, we're going to take our food coloring and our water mixture and pour it in. And if you look closely, you can see bubbles forming in our glass. I'm going to do our red. We've got some really cool bubbles floating in there, but here's the fun part. Next, we're going to take our Alka-Seltzer tabs and we're going to put them in our mixture and give it just a few minutes, actually just a few seconds, and you can watch it start to bubble up and make it a lava lamp type of explosion. Now, this does only last for anywhere from 30 to 60 seconds because after the Alka-Seltzer tabs dissolve, kind of slows down. So this is not a lava lamp that you can keep for a permanent time. Now, the science behind this experiment, still watching, we did the bubbles, but without the Alka-Seltzer and the acid that is in the Alka-Seltzer, it mixes with the oil and the food coloring. That's what makes it bubble and fizz. If you look closely down here, you can also see a little bit of a tunnel going like a tornado. The bubbles in the Alka-Seltzer are attaching themselves to the oil, which is making it pop also. And Alka-Seltzer floated to the top after it dissolved after a while. That is our lava lamp experiment. Please have fun with this, and once again, do this as a family project. It's always fun to do more things with your family. Have a good day.